Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to you all on EPSEX online sport program. As you know, your textbook name is Stepping Stone. Your chapter is 5, the natural environment, and your today's topic is land. Resources required, either it can be your laptop, computer, or your cell phone. Summary of the lesson today we will discuss about nature resources, pollution, types, causes, and effects of pollution. Before starting the lesson, have a quote of the day: love the earth as you would love yourself. It's very important because earth is our motherland. Our today's objective and the success criteria is: today we are going to learn about pollution, types of pollution, causes of pollution, and the natural resources. Success criteria: when you are going to do your work which is given at the end of your tutorial, you have to work very neatly. But before starting the work, you have to write down your name, class, section, day, and date. Draw the ending line at the end of each question with the scale. Now, this is your topic, which is land. You can see in this picture there are many living and non-living things. In living things you can see butterflies, birds, giraffe, duck, duckling, trees. And then in the non-living things you can see sun, sunlight, water, soil. So it means there are too many things on our land which are living and non-living things. Our world consists of living and non-living things. Non-living things present in nature such as water, air, soil, light and heat are used by all living creatures on earth. They use these nature sources in different ways. So what are the natural sources? Any source provided by earth is called natural resource. And the example of these natural sources are water, air, metals, oil, plants and sunlight. See this picture and just observe what is wrong in this picture. Can you see the litter here and there? Do you like this? I hope no one will like it. But who is going to do all this? We the human beings. Our land is polluted badly by human activities. We humans are responsible for all these activities which is going to create the pollution in our environment. So what is the pollution? Contamination of soil, water or the atmosphere by the discharge of harmful substances. Undesirable change in the air, water and land is called pollution. And the substances that cause pollution are called pollutants. The main cause of pollution is human activities. So think about it. Here are types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and land pollution. Now we will discuss them one by one. First is the land pollution. Can you see in the picture that they have cut down the trees? So, as you know that there are many birds, animals and insects which live on these trees. When we cut down the trees, they becomes homeless. So we are going to destroy their homes. Land is polluted when trees are cut and new trees are not planted. Animals, birds, and insects that live in forests and fields die when their natural environment is destroyed. The next one is the water pollution. Water is polluted when human and factory waste is dumped into rivers, seas, and oceans. Air pollution. Due to smoke from cars and factories, air becomes polluted. So what is the effect of all these pollution? Due to increase in pollution, destruction of habitats and hunting, animals are at the risk of dying. A very sad fact. We can save these animals by keeping the environment free of pollution. So from today and next onwards, you have to promise me that you are not going to create the pollution in the environment and you will save your environment. Have a quick recap of the lesson what we have learned today. Our world consists of living and non-living things. Any resource provided by earth is called natural resource. Our land is polluted badly by human activities. We need to protect our environment. This is very much important, and that is also our promise of the today. This is your home assignment. You have to do this very neatly. Your first question is name three types of pollution. Your second question is how can we save our environment? That was all for today. But before leaving, you have to promise me that you will protect your environment. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.